Please, no! Dummy geek! Ledger Nanohex! It's waterproof! Waterproof? Oh, you means waterproof. Unlike Elipal, which are completely sealed. No, 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 no. You too? You're in front of your washing machine? Because you remember forgetting your ledger key in your pants? Who is just spinning and I've been for quite a while, 45 minutes? Above all, don't panic. Well, not too much. Light it up to see what does it do? No. Don't try to turn it on. Ledger key and most hardware wallets are always off, which gives you a much better chance of recovering it. So don't try to turn it on. Don't make you smartest than you are. There are a good and bad solutions, and there is a very bad one. Even if they do light up, they will wear out over time, and corrosion, if not a short circuit, will finish to damage your device. Already, do you have your recovery sentences in security? Wait. It's not the time to take it now. But if you don't have yet, you have to pray? No, I'm kidding. A bit. Anyway, there is again some hope. Above all, don't put it on rice. It's a really bad idea. The rice's dust will seep into your connector and may complicate your life later. Then the best way, for the moment, is to disassemble it. Disassemble? Did you fall on your head? No, Gontran. And let me finish. And to dry it with paper towels, Scott towels, Soapline, whatever your hygienic religion. First, you have to remove the gray part as easily hide that. Then using a knife, slowly remove all the ends on the border. Like this. And everything open easily. We remove the little gray button, the whole printed circuit, being careful not to damage anything. Of course, try preferably to wear an anti-static bracelet to uncharge all the static electricity from your hands. Then we wrap everything gently in a paper towel. Everything like this. Like that. And like that. Here. And we wait some time for the blotting paper to absorb as much as possible moisture on the components. Leave for a few hours. Then we reassemble everything. We put the printed circuit back, the buttons in the right place. We replace the cover. We replace the gray part. And we try to turn it on. If it does not turn on, it may be out of charge. Plug it in and see if the screen turns on. If you like this video, if it doesn't light up, what does it do? Well, it just means that the device is probably broken and you have to buy another one. And when you receive the new device, all you have to do is enter your 12 or 24 words from recovery in order to find your key as before. Thereafter, you will have to repair your key with your device, computer and cell phone. And if we don't have our 12 or 24 words, or if we have a few but we have written some of them wrong, well, you have to go see my video series on the blockchain hacking, starting with the part 1. This series is in French language, but you can use English subtitle. If you like this video, press the little thumbs up, blue, black, or the flame regardless of the platform on which you follow me. Subscribe if you have not already done so. Activate the little notification bell for not to miss my next video tutorial. Have a nice day.